Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a reset vlog, I guess. Hit it. Literally in today's vlog, I'm gonna be cleaning my apartment because it is now fall break. Finished my midterms, got everything out of the way, but my apartment's kind of a mess. My roommates had a summoning circle with candy, I think, and then they left for fall break and went home, so I'm gonna, this place kind of like looks like a tornado ran through it, so I'm gonna just clean up, make it look nice, because I'm gonna be having this place to myself for like the next 4 days or so. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Love all my subscribers, and if you leave a comment, I can click on your name and I can actually see if you're subscribed, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it is Saturday. It's 1:30 p.m. and I should have woken up earlier. Let's clean. Also, the goal for I guess this vlog is just to like get back on track, reset a bit. I want to go to the gym today, get some things done, and then just have fun. So let's go. I just cleaned like my entire sink, toilet, and the base of the shower, so I feel so productive today. What? I'm gonna go do my laundry. Also, I was cleaning my shower and then I forgot that when you turn on your shower, water gets everywhere, so I'm like kind of soaked, but it's fine. Got the Weezer shirt. Let's go. Okay, I must say I did like a pretty good job here considering how it looked before. I just need to break down this box because I built my wagon finally. So excited. Yeah, right, I've had it for like a month now. Laundry is going. Slay. I think I'm actually gonna go to the gym now, maybe. I haven't been in a while. Just depends on my motivation. So either the gym or the pool. One of those. Maybe gym then pool. Is that the one? We'll see. So remember said box I was showing you? I brought it, I broke it down. Said box. I broke the box down, right? I brought it outside of my apartment and put it where I was supposed to, right? The door closed right behind me. No keys, no phone. no shoes, like no bra. Like I'm literally just wearing a t-shirt right now. This is thankfully the office was open, so I walked out just like, hey, help, and then they were like, I got you. But that was like my roommates aren't here. Like I would have been screwed. I'm such an idiot. Oh my god. So I was originally gonna do something else right now, hence the eyeliner, but now that that's not gonna happen, I'm gonna go to the gym because I haven't been in a while on my own, except for like practices and stuff. And I'm excited for the gym. Also, I goofed. All of my friends can't hang out like tonight, and they can all hang out tomorrow. And I took a shift for tomorrow night instead of tonight. So I'm kind of stupid, but you know that already. So it's gym time. I'm so thumbnail. Vlog sees it first. Yes, sir. Today, I just kind of did like a back by chest and try type of thing. I don't know. Not too bad. Let's do some abs. Gotta get this I want a flatter stomach. Oh. Talk for a walk. It was such a workout. Honestly though, it felt great. Like not being in the gym like on my own for a while was difficult. Now like getting back into it, like I feel smooth. My laundry is like done now, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah, also the first clip I have of me like doing my living room was 36 minutes long. I didn't realize how like, not dissociated, but like focused I was on cleaning. It took me 36 minutes for that whole thing. So that's probably why my phone's been like bugging out today. Slay? Yeah. Hey, so it's a little later. 6 o'clock and I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna try out a new recipe. Pretty excited for it. I'm not gonna like film it or anything because I just posted a cooking video, and if you haven't seen that one, then you should go look at that one first. But I just kind of want to make it and then eat because I'm really hungry, so I only have one meal today. Probably because I woke up a little late, but it's what it is. So, cooking and Bridgerton. Oh yeah. Chef Who, this is literally thebomb.com. It's literally just tofu, beans, rice, crushed tomatoes, and spinach, and it is delicious. And my little cheese on top. What's up, Vlog Squad? Hey. So yeah, it's Monday now. No, Sunday didn't exist. No, that didn't happen. Literally, I woke up. What did I even do? What did I do? What did I do yesterday? I don't know. I don't remember. But I worked from 4 to 10:30. So that's why I didn't film anything, because I was rushing to get ready for work because I didn't give myself enough time. And then yeah, it was too late and I didn't feel like filming anything. So now I'm at the grocery store. Happy Monday. I need to get some stuff, and then I need to do a lot of like sorority work when I get back and homework. I've got stuff due this week and I have an exam on Thursday. So let's get food. They're out of the pretzels I want. Not good. No. POV, your Be Real going off when I'm shopping for pasta. Oh. Ow. Oh my gosh. Ow, my neck. Oh. Crack. Thumbnail. Perfect. Ya slay. Grocery haul.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
See, look, I lit my candles and now I have productive sorority work going on. It's so fun. Really? Making cookies.
I've seen it twice in person and I've watched it twice.
It's cookie time. It is now Tuesday. I've completed all my work. Now fall break is literally out of clothes for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. I love to read comments. And I will see you guys in the next episode.